First thing this morning, while I wait for the cinnamon rolls to finish rising, put them in the oven. No, I didn't make homemade ones. I bought the frozen ones. I got a lot going on today. But this is something that my mother loves, and we started eating it years and years and years ago. I've tweaked it a little bit to our tastes, and we just call it Mandarin Salad. I've got in my bowl, I have two cans of crushed pineapple, the 15-ounce cans, I think that's what they are. Crushed pineapple. I drained it as much as I could. I even mashed some of the liquid out of it, and we're gonna add to that just a few things. I like this because you can eat it as a snack. You can eat it, we'll probably have it for lunch because it's Thanksgiving and we don't want to overdo it at lunchtime, right? And breakfast is a little bit later than normal. So I have here 48 ounces. This is a double recipe, by the way, because my guys love this. So you can cut this in half and make a smaller version for you, or make the big one and just eat on it for days because it keeps really well. So 48 ounces of small curd cottage cheese. You can use the other, I just prefer the small curd. That's a personal preference. This is a 29-ounce can of mandarin oranges, drained. I have a large package of orange gelatin. I think it's like a 6-ounce box. And then this is the large tub of Cool Whip. This one is a 16-ounce tub of Cool Whip. The regular ones are 8 ounces. I spilled a little bit. Excuse me. Somehow, I'm not sure what happened, but somehow somebody's finger, see that? It went right through. I was just trying to do it so you could see how it happened. I'm not sure what happened there. So, we're going to put all this Cool Whip in here. And it's going to get a little more solid with the Cool Whip and the gelatin.
I think you need a bigger bowl, dear.
Nope, this is one of the biggest bowls I got. We just got to stir carefully. So once I get this all mixed up, I'm going to put it in the fridge and let it set up for a few hours. And I'd say 2-3 hours, it'll be the firmness we want. And you just scoop it up and eat it sometimes by the bowl full. I sometimes get a craving for this. I don't know. I think it's because it's just that mix of sweet and a little bit sour from those mandarins. These aren't the sweet mandarins. The canned stuff is never really sweet, so it gives it a little bit of tang. And then the textures between the cottage cheese and the mandarin and everything. You could add nuts to this if you wanted to have a little bit of crunch. I personally prefer it without, just because I just like the way the cats are fighting in there. I just really like the way this sets up and tastes. When it's ready to eat, I'll come back and show you how it looks once it's all blended in together. And trust me, it's really good. It's an easy throw together. A lot of times I have the ingredients on hand. I didn't really have it all on hand for today, so, and my mother actually asked that I make it, so she sent Abby to the store, and Abby picked up those things, and she came back, and I said, Abby, why don't you show Grandma the sweater that she bought you? Because my daughter is obsessed with Christmas clothes, and so she got herself another sweater yesterday. She literally has enough clothes that she can wear a different outfit every day from today until Christmas and not wear the same thing twice. She's obsessed. Anyway, I'm almost done stirring this in, and when it's all set up, I'll come back and show you what it looks like. been cooking up a storm. Dressing is waiting for broth. 2 squash casseroles ready to go in the oven because Matthew says 1 is just not enough. Broccoli casserole is ready to go in the oven. The turkey is cooking. The ham is cooking. Haven't put the green bean casserole together yet. I will. I've got some sweet potatoes cooking. What else we gotta do? Mashed potatoes and corn will be done soon. But I'm getting a little hungry. And I don't want to be really hungry when the time to eat gets here. So we're gonna have a little snack. My Mandarin salad. I want you to see this has set up beautifully. Look at that. It's just solid enough that you can scoop it out. No runniness to it at all, which is exactly what we want. And if I'm getting myself some, I know my mother's gonna want a little bit, so I'm gonna get her a little plate full of it too. Have a little snack, put my feet up for about 30 minutes, and get right back at it because this stuff doesn't cook itself. Anyway, it's really refreshing. I hope you try it. Let me know if you do. Leave me a comment or a suggestion or something. And happy Thanksgiving. Y'all take care.